All right, we got an express van 6-liter. She's missing on cylinder 6 and cylinder 5, running rich. These dog houses are a little bit harder to get off than a Econoline Ford, but you don't have to take them off nearly as often, so it's cool. All right, I got her opened up. I went ahead and moved the spark plugs from cylinder 6, cylinder 8, cylinder 5 to cylinder 7. And we start coming back with misfires on cylinders 7 and 8. So basically it's going to need a good tune-up. And it's also got a evaporative emissions purge valve that's stuck open, so it's basically got a vacuum leak directly to the fuel tank. So that's probably contributing to the rich condition and just overall running like crap. So we'll get it tuned up, nothing drastic. It's only a Chevrolet.